The S&P 500 just hit a fresh all-time high at 7,501 while NVIDIA earnings are 1 week away, and something huge is brewing in AI right now. Stay with me. Welcome back. I'm your host and this is your daily AI and stock market briefing for May 17, 2026. If you're new, smash that subscribe button. We drop this every single day. Let's get into it. AI news today. First up, AI, OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic are all in the news today. Tech giants Amazon, Alphabet, Microsoft, and Meta have committed to spend nearly $700 billion on AI infrastructure in 2026 alone. That's not a typo. $700 billion building out data centers, chips, and cloud capacity. Snap and Perplexity just terminated their planned $400 million AI partnership before it ever fully launched. The deal would have put Perplexity's conversational search directly inside Snapchat. Snap said they amicably ended the relationship, but this is a reminder that not every AI deal sticks. Novo Nordisk, the pharma giant behind Ozempic, announced a full company AI partnership with OpenAI, covering everything from drug discovery to supply chain management. Big Pharma is going all in on AI, folks. Cerebras Systems went public on Nasdaq this week, a brand new AI chip IPO, and it surged 68% on its first day, then gave back 10% the next session. Classic IPO volatility. This is one to watch, not chase right now. NVIDIA's Q1 fiscal 2027 earnings drop May 20th, just 4 days away. Analysts are raising price targets ahead of the report. Average Wall Street target sits at $273 versus today's price around $224. That's a 21% upside if the consensus is right. Stock market update. Now the markets. Friday was a rough session. The S&P 500 fell 1.24% to close at 7,408. The Nasdaq dropped 1.54% to 26,225. The Dow lost 537 points, but, and this is important, the S&P is still up 1.38% for the week, on pace for its 7th consecutive winning week. That's the longest streak since late 2023. Why did Friday sell off? The Trump summit wrapped up without major policy breakthroughs. Traders got nervous, rotated out of the tech rally, and took profits. Intel fell 6%, AMD and Micron dropped over 5%, and NVIDIA shed 4.4%. Earlier in the week, though, the Dow cracked 50,000 for the first time on Thursday, driven by Cisco earnings and optimism around the US-China meeting. The S&P and Nasdaq both hit all-time intraday and closing highs, so perspective matters here. Let's talk AI stocks specifically. NVIDIA around $224 today. Q1 earnings May 20th. This is the biggest catalyst of the week. Analysts almost unanimously say strong buy. Microsoft $404. Alphabet $393, up 2.6% Friday. Meta $607. Tesla $448, up 3.4% today. DigitalOcean, ticker DOCN, is quietly crushing it. The stock is up 240% this year. They just launched an AI native cloud platform and guided for 26% revenue growth this year, accelerating to 50% in 2027. Under the radar pick worth researching. Oil and the Iran war are the macro wild Brent crude around $100 per barrel. JP Morgan says demand destruction is starting. 10 of the last 12 recessions were preceded by oil spikes, so keep one eye on this. Tech is outperforming despite it, but the macro risk is real. What to watch this week? Number 1, NVIDIA earnings, May 20th. This is the event of the week, maybe the month. If they beat and raise guidance, AI stocks could rip. If they miss or guide cautiously, expect a sector-wide correction. Everyone is watching this. Number 2, Lumentum joins the Nasdaq 100 on May 18th, replacing CoStar. These index additions create forced buying. Lumentum was already up 5% on the news. Watch for continued momentum into the rebalance day. Number 3, Monday.com surged 26% after crushing Q1 earnings. Revenue key, strong forward guidance. Cloud SaaS names are starting to work again alongside AI names. Number 4, oil prices. If Brent stays above $100 and the Iran situation escalates, utilities and consumer staples get hammered. Utilities are already down 5% in May. Watch the energy sector for any signs of a deal. That could be a major market catalyst. Alright, that's your AI and stock market briefing for today. NVIDIA earnings May 20th. I'll have a full breakdown video the moment numbers hit. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment. Are you buying NVIDIA before earnings or waiting? If this video helped you, hit the like button. It takes 2 seconds and it means the world. I'll see you tomorrow with another full market and AI update. Trade smart, manage your risk, and I'll catch you in the next one.